Are background checks different for contract versus permanent positions? Have you ever wondered how background checks differ for contract and permanent jobs? This is a common question for job seekers, especially those with unique backgrounds. Let's break it down. Both contract and permanent positions requiring background checks, but the approach can vary. Employers must follow the same legal requirements for both types of employment. This includes laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act and guidelines from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. These laws ensure that candidates are treated fairly, regardless of their job status. When it comes to the depth of these checks, permanent positions typically involve more extensive screening. This is because permanent employees usually stay longer and have more access to sensitive information. Background checks for these roles often include a detailed criminal history, employment verification, education and credential validation, and sometimes even credit checks or drug testing based on the job's nature. On the other hand, background checks for contract or temporary positions are often more focused and limited. Since contract workers usually have shorter assignments and may not handle sensitive data, employers might concentrate on verifying specific skills and relevant experience. Basic criminal history checks are also common, but the process is generally quicker and less comprehensive. Despite these differences, the goal of background checks remains the same. Employers want to reduce risks associated with hiring individuals who may have undisclosed criminal records or false credentials. They also aim to ensure workplace safety and maintain confidence among clients and stakeholders. For contract workers, background checks help demonstrate due diligence, which is especially important for companies that relying on flexible staffing. Practically speaking, this means that a permanent employee may undergo a full background screening process before being hired. In contrast, a contract worker's check might focus on immediate job-related qualifications and essential safety checks. Employers may also adjust their background check processes based on the industry, the sensitivity of the role, and the expected duration of employment. In summary, while the legal framework for background checks is similar for both contract and permanent positions, the scope and detail often differ. Permanent roles usually requiring more thorough checks, while contract positions tend to have a streamlined approach. Understanding these differences can help job seekers navigate their job searches more effectively, especially if they have a criminal record or other challenges.